If you are working as a company, an agency, or any kind of organization, Pascal now comes with Workspaces and real-time collaboration. Everything starts on the left. Click on your personal account and you will see all the workspaces you belong to, so you can switch between them in one click. And right there, a button to create a new organization. Let's give ours a name. We will go with Pascal Builders. You can fine-tune the slug if you want, then create the organization. Once it is ready, you can upload your logo to make it yours. You can also copy your organization ID. It comes in handy when you want to scope your API keys and your integrations to this workspace. Then comes the important part, your team. In the Members section, type the email address of the people you want to bring in, assign them a role, member or admin, and send the invitation. You can also create invitation links for AI agents. Just choose how long the link stays valid and create it. In Billing and Credits, you can purchase AI credits for the whole workspace. Every member can use them for Pascal Studio, the Item Builder, and the AI chat before touching their own personal credits. Ideal when you are running a team. Now let's create the first project of our workspace. We open the Pascal Builders workspace, where you can already see who is currently live on Pascal. And we create a new project named Team House. In the editor, as soon as someone joins the shared project, a notification appears, and their avatar shows up in the top left of the 3D scene. Let's start building a room, and this is where it gets interesting. You see the actions of the other users in real time. Right now, they are adding windows to the room we just created. So while they do that, let's paint the walls. You can even see their camera position, so you know exactly what they are working on and where they are looking. Let's add a door and paint the inside. Another team member just joined. By clicking on a user avatar, you can follow their camera. Perfect when you are on a voice call, to guide someone, or to build a space together. And in the meantime, you can see our other team member has been building a wall on their side. Build faster and build better as a team with Pascal Realtime. Back in the workspace, you can see which team member is currently in which project. And finally, your workspace has a Files section, where all the uploaded files, your scans, and your floor plans are gathered in one place, ready for the whole team.